You're watching DDS TV.
It looks like they never put the phone down or even reacted even upon impact. A little scary to think they were so oblivious to the whole situation.
I love it when people talk about my mother and grandmother, they both passed away. And I love it when there are strong people who say, Mark, you're just like your mom. Or Mark, you're just like your grandmother. Your faith is so much like your grandmother. Your knowledge is also rooted in your mother. The apple didn't fall far.
It seems that some people think yield means merge. The other issue is that people don't look, like suddenly they have no neck to turn their heads. If I was the SUV driver, I wouldn't have gotten out of the vehicle so quick for a fear of a double tap. Mans straight up just floored it into the car behind him. Honestly, what is the camera driving? An inner tube on ice? He nearly lost control with a minor jerk of the wheel. The brake lights didn't even come on until just before the crash. I'm guessing they were distracted by a cell phone.
I believe you're getting like heavier influences. We're actually heading for Lakewood.
Something. It might be your favorite snack.
More visit J. David.
We're just gonna do it up against the refrigerator.
I'd like to plan a well-mannered evening of coitus and frivolity.
It says right here, some people might.
Gotta love I-4. A mix of tourists, old folks, and meth heads all intermingling in one place. The camera claimed that he fell asleep behind the wheel while driving, and it seems that he clearly paid the price for it. Hopefully this was a lesson learned for him.
Oh my god!
It can't get much closer than that. It was for sure not an overreaction. That's the absolute worst type of driver.
Whoa, stop.
Was the pickup truck driver impaired? It looks like they were about to drive up on the grass before the camera hit them.
Nice. Would you like to reply?
Oh my god.
It says, oh my god.
I truly despise people that drive like this. Like, what part of their brain activates to slightly speed up just to not get past? We give overly slow drivers too much of a pass. This is infuriating. If you can't or won't drive the appropriate speed for a road, then just don't drive on that road, period. This Cybertruck ran a red, and the red light cameras caught him. That aside though, I want one of these so bad. What are y'all's opinion on the Cybertruck?
Get some medicinal spitting that plant.
Nice save on the camera's part. I'm sure that the camera realizes this now, but the instant you start seeing ice or slush on your windshield, it is wise to slow down. Plus, having good tire tread helps a lot. Should have taken that warning a little more seriously. That music is so loud that it tripped my motion lights editing this video. Remember when you were a kid and you'd look down the wrong end of the binoculars? Yeah, this clip reminds me of that. Unless they're trying to make a left turn shortly, or that lane bears left, they should be in the right lane to allow traffic to pass on the correct side. But apart from that, they're taking a positive, visible position in the center of the lane, and they're putting in some good effort turning those pedals. The whole point of buying a black pickup is to not have to wait in traffic. Joking. Cruising in the left lane while the right is empty is America in a nutshell for you. That driver was probably mad someone pulled the same move on them. It probably wasn't even that close. Their ego most likely got challenged. The quote, "Those who do not learn history are doomed to repeat it," seems pretty apt here.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.